There's no further comment at this stage. People might just understand this.
No, you find yourselves kind of in.
You'll read it and you'll send out. You've got no further comment.
Mary, why did you do
Come over.
Mary?
As I say, the test release is finished.
So you're sorry for you.
Mary, excuse me. I need to speak on that. Can you just tell us why you did what?
You're sorry for it.
Of course I'm sorry.
Why did you do it?
It was not intended to cause any harm to anybody, and I apologise for being able to.
You said you did it as a joke.
I didn't say that.
An act which made some question the title, "A Nation of Animal Lovers." A young cat lured by a passerby, thrown into a wheelie bin. Outraged owners sharing this video and taking to Facebook. The Nation responded. Just a day after setting up a page to find the unnamed culprit, nearly 15,000 comments were left by other users.
I know people are angry about it, so we was angry at the time, but obviously we want it to go down the correct routes. You know, the police and the RSPCA will fully investigate it. I'm sure they'll do what's, right by the cats.
Daryl Mann is the cat's owner, happy after hearing the police had identified the woman on the video. His pet, Lola, uninjured by her 15-hour ordeal. Daryl and his wife, Stephanie, finding her after hearing her cries the next morning. The comments left online against the culprit have spurred Lola's owners to urge others not to take matters into their own hands. Community support officers, police said, posted outside her home. She is due to be questioned by RSPCA officers and could face a charge of animal cruelty, a question of why the most pressing for Lola's owners.
I just don't know how anyone could, go to bed and sleep at night knowing that they've just locked a cat in a wheelie bin. I don't know what was going through their head at the time.